Ahoy there, fellow travel enthusiasts! Did you know that over 30 million people embark on cruises each year? Cruising has become a hugely popular vacation choice, and it's no wonder why. From the moment you step on board, you're transported to a world of relaxation, adventure, and endless possibilities. But there's more to cruising than meets the eye. In this exploration of the cruising world, we'll uncover hidden gems, dispel common myths, and reveal the secrets to an unforgettable journey at sea. So, are you ready to dive in? Let's set sail and uncover the magic of cruising. One of the biggest misconceptions about cruising is that it's only for the wealthy. Many people think you need to spend a fortune to enjoy a cruise vacation. While luxurious cruises certainly exist, there are options for every budget. You don't have to break the bank to experience the joy of cruising. Cruises can be surprisingly affordable, with prices comparable to land-based vacations. In fact, you might find that cruising offers more value for your money. Many cruise lines offer all-inclusive packages that include your accommodation, meals, and entertainment. This means you can enjoy a hassle-free vacation without worrying about extra costs. You can often find great deals and discounts, especially if you're flexible with your travel dates. Booking in advance or during off-peak seasons can save you even more. Another myth is that cruises are only for older generations. This stereotype is outdated and doesn't reflect the reality of modern cruising. This couldn't be further from the truth. Cruises attract people of all ages, from young families to adventurous millennials. Cruise lines have recognized the growing demand for multi-generational travel and have responded with incredible onboard activities and amenities for all ages. There's truly something for everyone. From water parks and zip lines to Broadway-style shows and cooking classes, there's something for everyone. No matter your age or interests, a cruise can offer a memorable and enjoyable experience. When it comes to choosing a cruise, the options are as vast as the ocean itself. There's a cruise line and itinerary perfectly tailored to your interests and preferences. Do you crave adventure and exploration? Consider an expedition cruise to Alaska or the Galapagos Islands. Looking for a romantic getaway? A Mediterranean cruise with stops in charming coastal towns might be just the ticket. For family fun in the sun, a Caribbean cruise with its pristine beaches and turquoise waters is always a winner. A feast for the senses, dining at sea. One of the highlights of cruising is undoubtedly the food. The sheer variety and quality of dishes available on board are enough to make any food lover's heart skip a beat. Get ready for a culinary journey that will tantalize your taste buds. Each meal is an opportunity to explore new flavors and cuisines. From casual buffets to elegant fine dining restaurants, cruise ships offer an array of dining options to satisfy every palate. Indulge in international flavors, savor fresh seafood, and discover new favorite dishes. Or enjoy comfort food classics. Whether you're in the mood for a juicy burger, a slice of pizza, or a hearty bowl of pasta, there's something for everyone. Many cruise lines even have celebrity chef partnerships, bringing Michelin star quality to the high seas. These collaborations elevate the dining experience to a whole new level. But it's not just about the food itself, it's also about the experience. Themed dinner nights, live cooking demonstrations, and interactive dining events add an extra layer of excitement. Imagine enjoying a romantic dinner for two with panoramic ocean views, the gentle sea breeze adding to the ambiance, or sharing a family meal with newfound friends. The communal dining experience on a cruise ship creates lasting memories and new friendships.
Let me hear you say 1, 2, 3, 4.
Beyond the horizon unveiling onboard delights. Cruising is about more than just the destinations. It's about the journey itself. The experience on board is designed to be as memorable as the places you visit. Modern cruise ships are like floating cities, packed with endless entertainment and activities. Lounge by the pool, soak in the jacuzzi, or simply sunbathe on the deck while enjoying the ocean breeze. Pamper yourself at the spa with a variety of treatments designed to relax and rejuvenate. Catch a Broadway-style show in the evening, or try your luck at the casino, where you can play slot machines or join a table game. Dance the night away at a themed party, where the atmosphere is always lively and fun. For those seeking a bit of adventure, there are rock climbing walls, zip lines, and even surfing simulators to get your adrenaline pumping. Challenge yourself and try something new, or perfect your skills in these exciting activities. And if you prefer a more relaxed pace, there are plenty of options for you too. You can curl up with a good book in the library, finding a cozy nook to lose yourself in a story, or attend an enrichment lecture where you can learn something new and expand your horizons. Embark on your journey. Discover the allure of cruising. Cruising offers a unique travel experience that combines relaxation, adventure, and convenience. It's a chance to escape the everyday, explore new horizons, and create memories that will last a lifetime. From the moment you step on board, you're greeted with warm hospitality and a world of possibilities. Whether you're seeking a romantic escape, a family adventure, or a solo journey of self-discovery, there's a cruise out there waiting to take you away. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, grab your sense of adventure, and embark on an unforgettable journey at sea. Visit luxuryfirsttravel.com for more cruise information. The world of cruising awaits.